Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the sound design channel. My name is FurCloud, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be making a melodic techno lead using Serum. So this is how it sounds. And this is how the lead sounds in context with some other sounds from this little demo I've got here. If you want to know how to make this bass sound right here, I've made a tutorial here on the sound design channel, so you guys check it out. And right now, let's recreate this lead sound. Let's copy the MIDI and let's space it into the new track. Let's copy the automation here. I've got some automation on the cutoff. And now let's solo the track. We also have some sidechain here, and I'm using the Kickstart by Nicky Romero. And yeah, so let's go open up Serum. Let's go to menu. Let's initialize the preset. Now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter, and we're going to filter oscillator A, B, and noise. We're going to remove all the resonance here, and we're going to turn on the key track option here. And what this will do is the notes on the lower octave will play with less cutoff, and the notes on the higher octave will play with more openness and more cutoff. So now let's go to oscillator A, and let's go to analog, saw rounded wavetable. Let's have the wavetable position at around 18. And let's go here and select the bend plus option here. And let's have it at around 21%. Now let's open up our oscillator B, and let's select analog, basic shapes, wavetable. Let's turn the octave to +1. Let's turn the wavetable position to 4. And let's go over here and select ASIM plus, and let's have this at around 66, like that. And let's turn the level of this oscillator to around 19%. Now let's turn on our noise oscillator. Let's select analog bright white, and let's turn the level of this oscillator to 0. We're going to later modulate this level with the envelope 2. But for now, let's go to envelope 1, and let's have it at around 15 milliseconds of attack. And let's have the release at 1.05 seconds, like that. Now let's go to envelope 2, and with this envelope we're going to have the attack at 0 milliseconds, and let's have the release at around 454 milliseconds. And we're going to attach this to the level of the noise, and we're going to have it at 30. Now let's go to envelope 3, and with the attack we're going to have it at 1.9 milliseconds. Let's have the decay at 80 milliseconds, and the sustain at 0%, and release at 52 milliseconds. And now let's attach this envelope to the filter cutoff, and let's have it at 12. Now let's go to the voicing here and turn on the mono switch here. Now let's go to LFO 1 and let's select the basic sine shape here. Let's have it at trigger and remove the BPM option here and have the rate at 24 Hertz. And now let's attach this LFO in the matrix. I'm gonna go here, LFO 1, and we're gonna attach it to the global amp here. And we're gonna have it at both sides and at 47. And now let's go here to the LFO2. Let's have the mode at envelope and rate at 1/8. And let's create a really sharp, plucky shape here. Just like that. And with this, we're going to go to the matrix again, LFO2 here, and we're going to attach it to oscillator A, coarse pit here, and we're going to keep it at 9. And we're going to have the type to the arrow to the right. Now let's go to the effects section and let's turn on the filter. Let's select the normal height 12 filter here. So we'll just remove some of those lower frequencies. Now let's turn on the distortion, and here we're going to select the soft clip here. We're going to have the drive at around 84% and the mix at 100. Now let's turn on the EQ, and with EQ we're going to just remove some of that low end after. We're going to remove some of that low end after the distortion. We're going to have the frequency here at 145. And yeah, just like that. A little bit of maybe gain here. Have the Q at 41%. And now let's turn on the reverb. And with the reverb, we're going to have the mode at plate and size at 40%. We're going to have the pre-delay at 0. Low cut at 22, high cut, we're gonna have it at 86, and the damp at 0%, and width at 63%. And we're gonna have the mix of this at 45%. I think we're finished with the sound. Let's compare it to the original sound we had before. So this version here seems just a little louder. So let's go back and let's move the master volume to around 84%, 84%. Alright guys, that's how you make this melodic techno lead using Serum. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you soon in the next one. Peace.